This is therefore rejected. The 7 ballot papers, the marking was that you had to put the stamp in the box actually as against the name of the candidate. In all of these 7 ballot papers, the stamp has been affixed on the name of the candidate. Therefore, one minute, sir, let me first do this, then we'll hear you. Ask her to sit down. Let me complete this, then I'll hear you also, whatever you want to say.